Welcome to Tom Collins Drums, where we've been helping drummers since 2012. I'm Tom, TCD's very proud founder. Let's go and take a look around.
Well, I started playing drums, really I was looking for an instrument, but when Tom came to my school he did an assembly, and I think it kind of just rubbed off that you knew what you were on about and really loved it as well. And I think, when you see someone enthusiastic, I got really excited about it compared to the other options.
So what I love about the location is it's in a very wooded area. That means when my dad drops me off, he can take the dog for a walk. And then when I come out, I'm not greeted by massive buildings. I see trees and fields.
When I drive in, I just have this sense of just being lost in time and space, and I look forward to every time I have to come across here for lessons. So it's really nice, a really pleasant place to be.
Being taught by a professional drummer, I think, is absolutely imperative. Working with a knowledgeable and empathetic mentor is just pure gold.
It's taught me about patience with everything that I do. I've taught that you don't just perfect something overnight, and you have to kind of work at it. And I think especially playing the drums and having to centre myself and teach myself that it's okay not to be perfect all the time and get something right straight away.
There's always something more to learn. I've not run out of stuff that I want to figure out that I can't do yet. There's always that next step that you can work towards, and I think that's really good.
Probably the best out of school experience that I've had, because I've been in clubs in school, blah blah blah, and I've never really stayed with them, but this, I think there's a really nice community, everyone's really nice.
Drums has really taught me, or reaffirms many life skills: confidence, discipline, and also that actually less is more.
Participating in the Bobo show was very important to me because I literally had no confidence before that. It was probably one of the life experience that I will remember for the rest of my life.
It's so fun and it's so thrilling to be able to play with other people, like-minded people, and it's such a good experience to have every year and look forward to doing it.
So my message to people out there considering playing the drums but haven't made their mind up yet is quite simple: stop deliberating, start drumming.
Invest in yourself and your time and just go for it. If it's something that you really want to do, then just put yourself out there and start learning with someone that you trust and really challenge yourself to do something.